Here's exactly how you're going to fix your overstimulated brain. And you're probably thinking, I've tried everything. Dopamine detox, productivity apps, cold showers. I did too. Last year, I hit a point where I couldn't focus for more than 20 minutes without switching task. I'd start working, then somehow end up on YouTube watching a video about something I didn't even care about. See, your brain adapts to whatever environment you give it. If your environment is fast, loud, chaotic, and constantly rewarding, your brain adjusts to expect that level of stimulation all the time. So when you sit down to work, it rebels. Here's what actually worked for me. First, I controlled my mornings. No phone for the first 30 minutes. No scrolling or notifications. Just water, sunlight, and silence. It was uncomfortable at first. My brain felt bored, restless, almost anxious. That's the withdrawal. Second, I made boredom normal again. I stopped filling every gap with content. Walking, no podcast. Eating, no video. Driving, no music. I let my brain exist without input. That's when your dopamine baseline start resetting. Third, I created single task blocks. One tab, one task, 45 minutes. You can decide what time works for you, but don't switch between tasks, even if it feels slow, especially if it feels slow. Within weeks, my focus felt different, deeper, quieter, not hyper-productive, just stable. The fix isn't more discipline or a better system. It's just less input, less switching, less noise, held consistently long enough that your brain stops bracing for the next hit and starts settling into whatever's actually in front of it. It's not sexy, it's not viral, it's not a hack, but it works.